Hello guys, I have come with the next project, Student Management System. This is a desktop application. This application is used to store the students' data, and we can also use it as a minor project for our college. This application is implemented using the Python framework tkinter, which provides the tool to implement the desktop application. Okay, so let's start the project. Like, for example, firstly, we show the clear functionality. Like, if we enter the like roll number, incorrect data. If we enter the incorrect data and we want to clear data, so just click on the clear button. Okay, now add functionality. If we enter the data of the student like roll number 19 BCS 099, name like Pawan, father's name Pramod Kumar, gender male, category general, branch mechanical, year, third, contact number. This is a 10-digit contact number. For example, if we write a 9-digit contact number and just click on the add button, it gives an error. It gives a warning. It's not an error, it gives a warning. Required all fields and correct fields. So now write a 10th digit contact number. This is now become a 10-digit contact number. Now simply click on the add button. Record has been submitted. You can see here. Okay. And if you want to update the data, firstly, the data has been added in the database. You can see here. You can see here like Pawan. You can see here. And if you want to update the data, just click on the data. If you want to update the surname of the name like Kumar, Pawan Kumar, just click on the update button. Record has been updated. You can see here and here also. Just refresh it, Pawan Kumar. Okay. Now, if you want to delete the data, simply click on the data. All fields are filled with the data. Just click on the delete functionality, delete button. Record has been deleted. So this is the registration form functionality, add, update, delete and clear. Now see the search functionality. You can search the data with the help of roll number and contact number. So we search the uh, of a particular student using the roll number like 19 BCS 099 0782 82 19. Just click on the show button. The data has been shown here. And if we want to show a complete data, just click on the show all button. This is the label total records, the number of records in the database. Okay, and this is a complete data you can see here. Okay, so this is my student management system using the Python framework tkinter, and it's a desktop application which you can use as a minor project for our college. Okay, and if you are interested in data science, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, Python, Flask, so you can follow my this blog. I upload here the project tutorial end to end. You can follow this blog. It may be beneficial for you. Okay. So first of all, before use this project, just import a database into the XAMPP or WAMP server. How it can be done, I'll show you. So just click on the new button, write a database name student underscore management underscore system. Write this name student underscore management underscore system till here. Not write .sql. Okay. Then create data. It has been created. Then simply import data. After creation, just click on the import data. Choose file. Then click on the go button, which is shown in the below. I can't I can't create a database of this name because it is already created. So just create a database using this name, and after import, click on the import, just choose file and click on the go. Data has been imported. Okay. Uh, this is a XAMPP server. You can also use a WAMP server. XAMPP or WAMP is a similar. Okay. So this is my student management system, and thank you guys. And if you are interested in machine learning, deep learning, NLP, Flask, Python, so you can follow my this blog. Okay. So thank you guys.